Initiating RealFi market scan for the final week of 2025. Before we decode the massive shift in FX and Bitcoin, here is a professional edge. Most traders lose because they start with zero. RealFi members start with a 20% profit. Deposit $100 on MEXC via the link below and get an instant $20 cash voucher, risk-free. Now, sector focus, the Aussie Dollar. System detects a high probability breakout on the weekly time frame. We are looking at a multi-year descending triangle, a structural compression dating back over a decade. The price action has breached the primary resistance vector and crossed above the key moving averages. This is textbook technical accumulation. However, integration of fundamental data suggests a conflict. While the technical structure is pristine, macro drivers remain sluggish. Protocol dictates a hold pattern. We require a retest or a volatility contraction before capital deployment. Next week may present chop or a backtest of the breakout level. Long-term projection? If the structural shift holds, the upside liquidity target is massive. We are looking at a potential 5,000 pip run. But execute with caution. Wait for the green light on the fundamentals. Switching feed to the euro. The euro against the dollar shows signs of structural fatigue. Price action is stalling. My algorithms are flagging bearish weakness here. The upper wicks indicate rejection. RealFi sentiment analysis projects a downward trajectory, targeting the 1.08 region. The momentum is draining from this pair. Next asset, Euro Kiwi. Pattern recognition alert. Bearish head and shoulders formation on the weekly. Observe the neckline support. A breach below this level, coinciding with the exponential moving average, triggers a confirmed short signal. Technicals align for a breakdown. Cable, pound sterling. The pound presents an anomaly. Price is holding above the moving averages, suggesting bullish flow, yet this diverges from our bearish euro outlook. This correlation break requires monitoring. Calibrating to the dollar index, the DXY. This is the spine of the global market. We are testing a critical rising trend line established in 2011. This is a system-critical pivot point. Observe the reaction. We have a triple bottom defense at this trend line. This is a high-stake zone. A bounce here validates USD strength. A failure here signals a catastrophic breakdown for the currency. History shows double bottom rebounds in 2011 and 2020. We are currently printing a third. Volatility is imminent. Equity sector, S&P 500. The index is currently vertical. This is a parabolic exhaustion move. We are in a wave 5 extension. Cross-referencing with megacap tech. Microsoft has broken its neckline. Apple is deteriorating towards its EMA. The generals are faltering while the market hits highs. This indicates distribution. Caution is advised. Final scan, Bitcoin. The crypto asset is correcting a 5-wave impulse. We are currently trapped in a bearish flag formation below the key moving averages. The trend is technically short. If price breaches the lower boundary of this consolidation pattern, expect a rapid liquidation event. Downside velocity will increase. Whether you are scalping or holding, fees are your biggest enemy. Use our secure link to join MEXC and lock in the lowest trading fees available globally, plus your $20 starter bonus. Risk management is paramount. Stay sharp. RealFi out.
Summary time. The market trend is clear, but execution is everything. To spot these technical setups yourself, you need professional eyes. Use TradingView for your analysis. For the stock market, don't leave money on the table. Claim your exclusive welcome bundle and free Apple share on Moomoo. For crypto volatility, execute your trades with the lowest fees in the industry on MEXC. All verified links are in the description below. Equip yourself now. I am Aria, RealFi Intelligence, signing off.